All right, so everyone, welcome back on Tuesday. All right, all right. So yeah, all right. Started a little late, but honestly, I was freaking tired after the party yesterday. So yeah, let's focus on trading. So, mhm, let me check the news times. So we have a news after 10 a.m. Okay, I think it was at 2 p.m. They changed it. All right. Let's start from the dollar index. And let me join the Discord as well. Hello,
Hello, hello.
how are you?
Good, good. How was your birthday yesterday? Your friend's birthday?
Yeah, it was wild as fuck.
Late night?
Yeah, like I think we went to sleep after 3:30 a.m.
Oh, I see. Okay.
That's why I'm
You
actually
can tell from your voice, I think.
yeah, it got very deep. Right. So what's your bias on today?
I was just looking at Dixie. It's currently just sinking. Um, sinking. But I have to say, when it's doing all of this, it's hard to
I think it's gonna
guess trade.
I think it's gonna take out the monthly low.
The monthly
Yeah.
September low.
Uh, yeah, September low.
Yeah, running towards it pretty fast.
Maybe today we will deliver.
If I'm being honest,
Yeah,
I'd actually like if FOMC was to send us higher so we can get more chances to sell to the September though. Because right now it's just it looks so easy how Monday gap lower kind of just closed in the middle of his range. Tuesday gapped, I mean Tuesday expands lower, and Wednesday's just gonna be a continuation.
mhm.
That would be really sad. By Wednesday we'd be at the monthly low that you just mentioned.
Well, I think like as EURUSD already take out the monthly high, so that's why I'm targeting that as well on dollar index. But my view is more like we deliver today below the monthly low and reverse maybe tomorrow.
Okay, that could be possible.
Yeah, honestly, my brain
We
is
delivered today on the XY.
yes,
You think we delivered to the monthly lows today?
yeah.
Ooh, that's a big range. It's going to be another very huge range like Friday.
Could be, because the way we are moving, I think it could be. It has possibilities.
I see. Okay. I see.
So I don't know. Let's see. Even though my brain isn't braining anymore today, so I would be try to avoid any four states.
Yeah, I mean, I think it would be hard to get a trade anyways. It's so, well, DXY has such a deep discount.
Hmm.
I wouldn't even be able to get a trade. Be sort of chasing.
Let's see what happens. Yeah, I think
Valuation.
we won't get any chance to take a trade. That would be possible. So the let's watch
Would this be the rejection block, a bullish rejection block?
which
Or
month,
see
what time frame.
daily.
Uh, the previous day or like which one you're talking about?
The September lows for Dixie.
Uh, no, that's not. I have to check on euro dollar. Yeah, that's a rejection block on euro dollar. We can consider that as well, because DXY isn't that clean as a euro dollar. So there is a
Yeah,
volume.
the open and closes
Yeah,
are unequal.
yeah. There's an unequal because of volume imbalance.
I guess we'll just have to wait and see.
Yeah. I was seeing the price for reversal in the London kill zone, but I was having my lunch, so didn't interfere in the price action then.
Let's see. I wasn't even on the charts. When it came on the charts at 7 Eastern time.
Six, 6, 7.
No, no, no. I only came on the charts at 7 a.m. Eastern time.
Oh, that's New York kill zone. Makes sense. Right. I think we already reached 3 standard deviation of central bank dealers range. It could be a reversal though.
That's what I hope for.
Yeah, because we reached.
If it sweeps the September lows, it's kind of harder to see.
No, I'm still targeting that in a like higher time frame. But in the kill zone, maybe we could get a retracement. Did you get it?
Yeah, I see what you mean.
Yeah, because the way the price is moving, it's really needs to take out really big liquidity. So I think that's gonna be the monthly high. It already did so on euro dollar, so it can reverse now. But dollar index has to push much more lower.
You don't monitor indices, do you?
Huh? What?
You don't really look at indices.
Indices? No, I used to do that, but currently I'm not watching them. Indices are good, honestly, but I haven't back tested well at this pair, so.
Yeah, I feel like it's a lot. There's a lot more things to deal with on indices. Though
Mhm.
Forex is a bit more.
Yeah, Forex is more about the higher time frame, but in indices isn't. It's more like seasonal behaviors, like season behaviors.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. You put it well. That's exactly what it is. Especially the New York Open as well. That's kind of crazy when you think
Yeah,
about it, isn't it?
yeah, yeah.
Just like it's low key red folder news every day. Anyway,
Mm. Another reason I don't trade indices is because of the prop firm system of that. They have really tight drawdowns, like 3%.
yeah, hate though.
Mm. I think we should look into other pairs like cross pairs, JPY. It's kind of ugly as well.
Cut out. What did you say?
No, no, no. I just got cold, like we slept with the AC on yesterday, so did a lot of stupid stuff.
Where did you guys go?
We just went at how do you say, like a friend's home. Then we had things, I can't say it on live, and
Yo, there's no one here. Don't worry about it.
no, maybe some people, my parents, watch my stream. I don't know. So
Say it quickly. You have to say it quickly before they come in.
bottles, bottles, bro.
Oh yeah, I can imagine this. It's a Grey Goose.
Yeah, kind of.
Home as well, or is this at a venue?
Like, it was like a private party kind of thing, like Four, 5 people was
Was
there.
it?
Yeah, only boys.
Wait, oh, did you say only boys?
Yeah, only boys.
Wait, why is that how you swing?
Huh?
Why did you say it like that?
Oh, yeah. Just say that. Like my brain is working, I'm telling you, bro, honestly.
You're being too honest, man.
Yeah.
Some things you have to keep quiet, you know? You know, coming to think of it, you remind me of a friend I used to have. Kind of sounds like you.
Really?
Yeah, his name's Gideon Fernandez. Are you from the Portuguese side of India?
Portuguese side of what?
India.
Portuguese side of India?
Goa.
Goa. Goa.
You clearly know. You sound like you've never heard of it.
Mm, I really unaware of the things going on in the world. I just mind my own business and just hang around.
Yeah, Goa is like the beach side of India.
Yeah, I know Goa. Well, I don't know, like you said Portuguese side of India. So it was like confusing.
Yeah, they say they're Portuguese, man.
I don't know that. Well, I think I should. Mm.
Oh, we could go over yesterday's PA, right? We'll just send a screenshot. There isn't much to really show on live share screen.
Oh, really?
Would you rather it live if I share the screen?
What?
It's up to you.
Yeah, you can just show your screen. There is no issue.
Boom, boom, boom. Okay. This was the PA yesterday's.
Wait, let me watch your stream at first. Okay, yeah, go ahead. Uh, we did reverse that, right? Yesterday.
Uh, it got it got low.
Yeah, as I
It
said.
reversed at 11.
I see. That was I
Yeah,
said, right? Like after the delivery, maybe.
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah, that happened exactly.
I think we both thought it would reverse
Mm-hmm.
just after here, but it kind of went really low. But yeah, it did reverse though. It did reverse. So as for the PA, obviously we was both on the screen when what am I looking at?
Yeah.
Here it is. Okay, this is it. So well, it's just to take this off. This is how it was. This is symmetrical. Execution zone. Okay, so the first entry would have been with this array. That's the FEG I would have used. That was obviously 750. That same array over here is this one. So this square and this square are the same. Obviously, E doesn't reach it.
Why?
So
Why that
yeah,
one?
that's
Why that one?
that's my PD array. Like I studied this exact one. That's the exact one I'd use. Not this one. Not this one. I remember you showed me this one earlier.
Yeah.
It would work, but there's this one first, so it wouldn't be this one. I mean, that's a whole different story. That which how I picked up IFVG is a different sort of explanation, but the one I would use in this or price action is this one specifically.
No, like why? What's the reason behind it?
Okay, so it's, first of all, it has to be in the macro time between 750 and 810,
Uh,
and it
it,
has to be the first one that that occurs after breaking a high.
okay, so the macro time has to be that specific macro or like any macro time.
Now, any macro, I could take this same IFVG entry on any. So I only use the kill zones, as you can imagine, 2 to 5, 7 to 10, oh, 7 to 11. Yeah, 7 to 10. Uh, but yeah, it has to be the first one. And this is the first one.
I
This
see.
swing low, FVG. Swing high, FVG. Not this one. This is the first one. So yeah, this is the first one. Obviously, this one, it's, DXY is in it. It's kind of being held back from going higher.
Mm-hmm.
EU doesn't even reach.
Yeah.
Doesn't even reach it. Once I notice this is going on here, I understand. Okay, so most likely it won't even have the chance to reach it. So yeah, I pull early. That's the first one. Second one is yeah,
Mm,
that's the 9 a.m. one.
okay.
Macro. That's the FEG. I highlighted it. On EU, it doesn't even exist. This one is at 850. The
Yeah.
FEG 850. This candle doesn't even have that thing. Yeah, it's closed. No FEG.
Mm,
So using DXY, I actually enter at 905 just here, as I see it go on. So and then obviously it just comes down and the rest is just profit taking. But I just wanted to show you, in sort of real time, how I'd use it. Sometimes the array doesn't even exist on EU.
uh-huh.
Still gotta make do.
Well, let me teach you that my CRT based entry model. I think you're really confused about it. The HTTP. Let me share my screen as well. What? Okay, can you see it?
Yeah,
Okay, so as you know, this is a older high.
yeah,
It took out that high with the body close. Can you see it?
yeah.
So this candle is the model 1 candle. It's called model 1 candle. So we mark the highest price and the lowest price of that candle, right?
Okay.
Then the next candle, when that breaks and close below the lowest price, that's the entry model formed. When it retraces back to that line, or even you can take it as an order block, you you can sell right there, and it drops to that equal lows. That's the simple model for turtle soup. Like, you get it?
It has to be 15 minutes.
No, it's not any time specific. You can use in any time, but yeah, it has to be narrative based. Like, there was narrative that it would go there. You already need to know the direction. It's just an entry model. Do you get it?
If it was on like a 5 minute, it could fail. Surely, right?
No, it doesn't matter. It's even works on the 1 minute as well, but you have to know that it's the really that key point to do that specific thing. Same thing here on the 5 minute. You have to mark the high low there. It broke right there. Re-entry on the order block. Sell right there.
Yeah, if that's the case, you may as well keep doing it on the low time frame. That higher for you.
It's already low, like on even on the 15 minute. Because you were really buying on premium, very premium. Sorry, selling on premium. I don't-
Yeah, I got what you meant.
So that was an issue for me to get entry on Terrorsoup. Like, I was always been confused, like where should my stop be? But this entry model actually gives me what I wanted. So the same thing that did not happen. It closed with a week.
That's even more bullish for you, though, right? Wick close means it wants to go.
Yeah, but it's not an entry model. That's why. I really want my entry model to be there. I don't care even if I get right in the direction. If my entry model is there, I'm gonna enter. If not, I don't care.
Cool, cool. I wonder though. I feel like somewhere on Forex, one of the currency pairs have nice PA right now. Like Dixie, as you know, right now it's kind of hard to enter.
I think we are
I'm
X.
gonna try finding a PA, and we share it.
Yeah, sir. I saw that
It's
Euro
green.
Euro JPY, USD JPY, those both are ugly right now. Maybe we can say USD CAD.
Yeah, that's ugly, very ugly.
That's also dropped
Yeah,
down.
JPY is horrible. I don't like it.
USD CHF. That's not good at all. No, I think all the pairs are moving actually same. Did you get
Something that's interesting.
which one?
I go on CAD CHF monthly, no, New Zealand franc monthly time frame.
NZD what?
NZD CHF
Okay, CHF
monthly.
monthly.
Yes, we're doing top down analysis, man.
Oh yeah, it's
You
kinda
see,
ugly.
we've sweep. You found it?
Yeah, I found it. Previous month high.
Yeah, and there's the FEG. We got the weekly now.
Mm-hmm.
Doesn't look that nice here, but it could potentially be a lovely continuation lower.
Yeah,
We on the weekly, on daily. Daily looks like it wants to run previous day low. It looks to be running towards it. So yeah, it's running. Doesn't look like off entry. It's a bit like Pixie.
mm-hmm.
But yeah, on the 1 hour, it looks like a nice SM forming.
SMR. What is that?
The MMXM reverses, money reversal.
Okay, wait. Who is this? I don't know. When did he join though?
Just now.
It's me, it's me.
Hello.
I don't know my. This is my different account.
Oh, I see. I see.
I didn't like. I my other account got hacked or something. I don't know what happened.
How?
I just don't know, bro. I just clicked some link. It was not that much important, but yeah,
Okay, crazy.
hey, Sagna, bro. How do you find a long term like? Can you? How do you like analyze the long term view in dollar or euro, like fundamentally or technically only?
Okay, fundamentally, I do what you do, quarterly sort of looks, checking that out. But also the look back data ranges is what I'm told is very effective. Have you heard of the look back data ranges?
Look back data arrangement, yeah, na?
Yeah,
30,
IPTA.
60 or 50.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah. 20, 40, 60. Yeah, that's what I do. Um, yeah, the IPDA, that's pretty helpful. On top of that, just simple PA, you could look at like order flow respect, like institutional order flow. So on the higher time frame,
Can you
you know, bullish, yeah.
quote some example like how?
Oh, I see. Okay. You see the screen? Is it visible?
Uh, if it wants.
Wait. Yeah.
So higher time frame is monthly, weekly, daily, right? So it has to be greater than the daily for it to be considered a higher time frame for me. So assuming, you know, we through fundamental news, let's say USD is lowering rates, and I think they plan on lowering rates, right? And there's
Yeah.
all of, so you're already bearish coming into this year, January, right? So what you'd want to have highlighted is premium imbalances. You want to have them highlighted.
But if you go to a 1 monthly time frame, there is a premium and discount difference. If you like check there is a above, there is a premium and there is a below, there is a discount, like this selling more, the single leg of selling.
Yeah, I get.
Well, you're saying this.
Yeah,
Yeah,
You're saying we're not on a premium on the monthly. Is that what you're saying?
yeah.
I see. Yeah, you're right in that sense. But don't forget, on the 3 month, we're actually look. This is an institutional order for entry drill, so we're actually running away from there. We're very much in a uh, we're expanding away. Is what it could be easily seen as an expansion away, and we don't want it to go higher into premium.
yeah. That's a breakover
You're
gap.
right though.
That's a
But
big.
you wouldn't expect it to actually.
That's a breakover defeat.
I don't want it to. If we are very bearish, I don't want it to go higher. October to December high would be actually good if it's respected.
Yeah,
You see how we
Commercial are
tapped into it?
commercial are buy it already. I don't know how this works, but I was bullish this month, but
Oh yeah, definitely. I mean, I'm not saying I knew exactly what DXY would do by no means. I was kind of in the you know middle with it all because there's wars going on, right? With wars, what do we expect? We expect that I think DXY goes higher, right? With all the
yeah.
things going on.
The other thing, like I do intermarket analysis. So when we into analysis of intermarket, I usually see Aussie, like AUDUSD and ZUSD. I see every chart of CUD report and other stuff so when I see to the conclusion, I find the AUDUSD commercial are selling, in dollar commercial are bullish, euro bearish. So there is this kind of stuff is happening right now, but I don't know when it will going to run.
Yeah, it's a tough one to know that stuff. I feel like currently we've got enough sort of information to know we're gonna run this low. And yeah, you just take it slowly because you only really need to know the
Isn't
dailies.
we already run that candle high in euro. We haven't run that low in that
yeah,
DXY. If you can see, maybe it could be a SMT or something.
yeah. That
Yeah,
could be because we're.
We have a point of interest, like we have say, Sumit. What are you saying, Sumit?
We're into the order block as well. Bearish order block on euro dollar. Yeah, exactly. Not this one. Yeah, the big one. Yeah.
yeah. I was just trying to scope the main threshold. Yeah, I definitely think it's gonna continue rising. This I doubt it will
Yeah,
come
that
lower.
that could be possible because those are actually equal highs as well. But it depends. It would won't be direct run on that. Maybe back and forth. Yeah, it's 3 months range, right? So it would be hey years. Hey bro, welcome to the stream, man. Luxman P2G.
Yeah, this stuff. Feel like we've got a strong enough bias, higher time frame until DXY reaches this low.
I would look for a retracement then.
Yeah, same. It's when it is. But yeah, so I would obviously look for the high time frame BISIs, and the highest time frame BISI, I mean, for imbalance is this one, and we see it respected, we see it rejected. So October to December to January, sorry, this candle. The monthly is this: October, November, December. January, which is the next 3 month candle,
Mm-hmm.
okay, which is this one, opens up, it goes up into the weekly CIBI, which is on the weekly time frame. This is currently the monthly, and it's running lower to here. So yeah, it goes up into the weekly, it runs lower. So technically, I'm expecting this broken and probably even lower targets with how strong it's displacing lower, especially.
Yeah,
But first things first, we just want to target this low. Take it one step at a time.
I said the same thing. Because that way it's moving, it needs to take out some serious liquidity, like big pulls.
Yeah, exactly. And also, just to make it also a bit more clear, actually, now that I'm explaining it, it's getting a lot clearer to me. Um, this is a 3 month candle, and we're currently only in the first month of Jan. So the next 2 months, I expect to continue this expansion leg potentially. And as you can see here, that's the first sort of gap I see. I wouldn't be surprised if this is the next draw. It wouldn't be surprising in any sense of the way, because this is 3 months. This is 3 months. This candle, what's this end on? It's kind of confusing.
5 minute candles range is too big. Like it's few candles and it's 17 pips. Crazy. I think setup
But yeah,
is
this will make it a lot clearer. You see the eye of Fed, right? How this candle taps it and it rejects.
yeah.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, this is important. This is how you know we're kind of bearish, and it's confirmed with January. Quick high, manipulation, open high. We're now making the low, and the low, I really, as I said, if January made this range to 3,000, February makes another 3,000. Let's say it makes half of it, or just above half. That's only 2,000 ticks away from here, and I think it wouldn't be a far fetched sort of analysis. What do you guys think?
Maybe I think I don't know, bro. I just think I'm bullish in DXY. I don't know why, but because of commercials, bullish. I want DXY to hit a premium PDRA of monthly time frame. Maybe it won't reach. But
Yeah, that's fair. I mean, I was sort of bullish. I was bullish until last week.
don't you use SMT or something like?
Uh, Only for entry, really. Not much else. If I ever use it. Wait, actually, some the DXY stuff I do. Is that it? Is that SMT? That's separate. The stuff I show you.
Which stuff?
I show Summit sometimes how I use DXY to enter an EU.
Oh yeah, no, yeah. You can say it's like SMT, like that. It's called SMT, like in a quarterly theory. The days called it SMT because it's called SMT fill. One asset is tap FEG and one asset didn't tap FEGOB. Even IFEG, that's called SMT field. Yeah, you can say that.
Okay. Yeah, then I definitely do in that sense. Definitely.
But currently, we are just currently making a SMT in my. I'm thinking, isn't it SMT Sumit? Like DXY didn't take the low and Euro take the high.
Yeah, but it's still not formed yet. Well,
Which doesn't.
my currently today's view was like taking out the monthly high on the euro dollar and make the Tuesday high of the day and then retrace into discount. DXC didn't did it yet. Maybe it will run over the night. We don't know. Or maybe it could be an SMT as well. That could be possibilities.
We haven't confirmed that SMT,
Yeah,
but yeah, need to wait for the confirmation.
We have news today.
yeah.
Yeah.
10 a.m.
No, we don't have, but we have an orange
Small,
folder, I guess.
very small.
President Trump is speaking at late night, maybe in
Yeah,
my country time zone.
4 p.m.
Let's see.
Sorry.
Yeah. So, kind of gotta wait and see, I guess.
Mm.
I mean, this rejection block might give us a retracement entry or a bit of a retracement on EU. That would be nice. There is a little bit of a
Well, we have a SMT with euro dollar with dollar index on 3 months.
Recent one, right?
That one he was showing that it taken out the previous month high. It's the same candle didn't trick the low of on euro dollar.
Which SMT, bearish or bullish?
Bullish, bullish, euro bullish.
Or Euro dollar?
Yeah.
Okay.
but I gotta say, today's just gonna be a demo day from the way it looks.
I don't know. I'm waiting. Let's see. Maybe we can have a setup on 10 a.m. because it's not moving anymore. ranging just
4 p.m. President Trump news, though, it kind of makes me think.
yeah.
I feel like you're the type to take a trade from here to this discount to premium. You do those trades, don't you? Some
What?
I do swing trade. I
from
do
premium
trade the market.
to discount, premium down to discount.
Yeah, I do. It was an entry on London. Wait. It was an entry on London Keys on OTE entry. If you mark that Fibonacci 15-minute time frame.
How about now, though? Would you take this
Which one? Wait.
from discount to premium, premium to discount on EU, like from where we are now, as in short EU potentially, expecting
Uh,
a retracement essentially.
yeah, I'm looking for a
Would you
retracement.
consider that?
Only if my setup forms. That's what my dependency on.
What is your setup again? It's OTE, right?
OT and market structure shifts or CISD or CRT. I have an arsenal though.
Okay. I mean, but what time frame is the minimum you need? 5?
Five, yeah, five is good. One is stressful, but we can do one as well. But five is good.
Okay, well, we've got a 5 minute structure shift, but I don't think it's gonna hold from the way this candle's coming down.
Where is the structure shape, bro? I can't even see that.
Check it out, man. This is on Dixie though. Oh, and there is one on EU as well. Oh,
That's not a structure shape. That was just a salary retracement. If it like it needs to break the low, I already marked it. The low is on 7:35 a.m. low. Yeah,
okay, that has to be this swing low. Swing low.
yeah. If it breaks that, that's a valid structure shift. And with a retracement to a OTE, I would go for sell.
Yeah, after this close on DXY, I don't think.
SMT can happen though. Because euro is weaker now. GBP took the high.
I wonder where the 9 a.m. the 9 a.m. candle will go.
Yeah, I have no expectation today.
Yes, it's pretty.
Yesterday PA was clean, but it just I didn't saw my setup. That's it.
Oh, you'd say yesterday's PA was clean?
Yeah, it was obvious. Like honestly,
But after this huge gap open, wasn't he sort of open to anything?
No, I didn't see any gap though in my chart. I use the forex.com. That's it. DXA has a gap, but like forex.com euro dollar doesn't have a gap. Like price action, the way it build the like liquidity, I was obvious that it's gonna take out the Asian highs. And then retrace late night, and that's what happened.
And you would have actually taken a trade on your live if on your eval or wondered if your entry was shown.
Yeah,
It's okay. Very different to me.
because as you know, usually I don't trade Mondays, but yesterday was very clear and obvious price run. So I think we're about to have a SMT on 5 minute. Yeah, I think we can have a structure set now. Okay, well, tell me that what's gonna be stronger, Euro or GBP?
I'm actually thinking Euro will close. Well, Euro GBP will close weaker from just looking at the PA. For today's PA, you'd have to go on the lower time frame, and this is messy, man. Couldn't tell you.
All right.
Oh, yeah, this is horrible. On days like this, because EU and DXY are more correlated,
Mm-hmm.
I just pick EU. It's just a whole lot safer.
Okay. I think today I would have a 10 pip stop because the range is really high. I cannot believe this move is like 17 pips, bro.
Tempted to buy this IFG.
Hello, Sagnar. If Euro GBP go bearish, like if Euro GBP is bearish in the monthly time frame, so Euro USD and GBP USD also bearish.
Huh? I didn't actually get it.
I'm saying if Euro GBP is bearish for long term,
Yeah.
perspective.
Yeah.
So Euro USD will be bearish and GBPUSD will be also bearish.
Yeah, but it's not similar as bearish as euro or as bearish as GB because the strength of the currency also depends. But the direction will be same because of the XY.
So yeah, so Taco, with pairs, let's say DXY is very weak, okay? Let's assume DXY is very weak. From Euro GBP, you'd want to pair the strongest against DXY because you want strongest against weakness in any pair you trade. You never want both to be strong.
How do you know which one is strongest? Like interest rate difference?
Question.
Yeah, interest rates.
Question. Even this PA, like on 2025, this week here, you knew EU was super strong. Obviously, like you knew the next week is likely to continue an expansion higher. Some weeks are more obvious than others, but everyone was trading, EU as the stronger pair. So if DXY was weak, it would have made the best combination. You'd avoid GBP.
Yeah.
This week's it. Now, if DXY was also strong when the EU was strong, you'd trade GBP because you would want weak against strong, which is GBP against USD.
I would like to say one thing. Like for long term, I think like the currency cuts, interest rate, those are more important than the price action. The price action are important when you're trading inside range like intra-week or intraday.
Yeah, I mean, the way I see it, I see it as the price action follows the fundamentals.
Yeah, but it changes. If you want to grab the long term, then it's more about the currency rates.
I am seeing there is a divergence are forming between euro and for long term perspective on daily. Like it doesn't confirm yet. It didn't confirm yet. We need to take something to confirm that.
Yeah, we need to the candle to be closed at first.
How do I explain like how I see this which one is strongest through I only see through SMT and also the thing I say I will show earlier PSP and TPD. Sometimes like euro make lower low, but there is a bullish precision swing point candle like bullish candle in euro and bearish candle in precision swing point is bearish in GBP. Then I will definitely say euro is a stronger one. That's how I like.
Yeah, that works, but I used to do that since you told me that. But I noticed.
You can check recently in the monthly time frame there is a PSP in a GBP. GBP give more selling like in a in a selling GBP was stronger,
Hmm.
but Euro didn't give that much selling.
I know, but in short-term trading, like day trading, I have like seen sometimes euro makes the SMT, but it doesn't deliver because the strength changes in the sessions.
Yeah, bro. But I also have a issue in a lower time frame, bro. Same. I can't find PSP and TPD. Even if I find it, it fails a lot of time. But it higher time frame, it will like work many times.
Yeah.
I was just recently saying to you, bro, okay, your model is forming. Just right now, you and Sagnar, my mic was muted, and I was talking along, and I then realized that, bro, you're selling. There is an inducement as well. There is a market structure as well. Sagnar was saying to you, okay, your model is forming.
My model?
Yeah, your model, Sumit. You were saying you sell from premium to discount, discount to premium,
Yeah.
and then my mic was muted and I was speaking alone. I was like saying your model is forming. In a euro, you can see market structure shift and the inducement in 5 minutes you took it took inducement, and
Yeah,
now it's bearish. I was saying like in this bullish candle, but I was talking a lot because my mic was mute. I forget it from my mic.
mm-hmm. But it's not like looking obvious to me right now.
Yeah, you are looking for SMT, but maybe you
Yeah, we
can't find
no no
this.
no 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 way. We have a SMT with the 5 minute structure. You see that with dollar index or even GBPUSD.
Yeah, yeah, I see that.
Yeah.
Okay, you guys can continue. I have some work to do. I come back later.
All right then.
All right. Take care, Taco.
Okay, brothers.
See you later on the day. Okay. We had a structure shift on GBPUSD. If the candle close,
Oh, did it go to your specific one? Very close.
no, I don't need that because it made the new low. It created the yeah
The structure shift it just did now.
yeah
Previous one.
yeah.
That's good enough for Summit.
Not A plus setup, but somewhere like B plus we can call.
B minus.
Not minus, B plus, B positive.
C plus.
Let's say I wanted to close below the BC.
Is it because it's consolidated? Is that why it makes it a B plus?
No, it's not like looking like textbook. I really prefer textbook setups. I want the 5 minute candle to close below the BC.
Oh, looking at NAS, I have to say,
Hmm.
I really would like to trade it lower. I'd like for it to drop lower.
On Nasdaq.
Yeah, and yeah, on NASDAQ, S&P, US 30 is already doing that.
Lower. I think it's more. Oh wait. Let me analyze first.
I don't know. It's just that we've got news tomorrow. Monday was a gap lower and ran higher. Tuesday now, obviously, again running higher. Like that.
Yeah, well, it can because it has taken as a really big liquidity pool. Mr. Face, it's a MacBook camera, bro. Like, it's not mobile. Well,
By the way, you know on your stream, are you streaming right now, Summit?
yeah, I'm on the stream.
Wait, so people can hear our voices?
Yeah, they can.
That you
Dude,
should have told us, man. There's no disclosure.
do not discuss any illegal stuff. They would know.
I mean, that makes sense why you said what you said earlier.
Yeah,
Now that I think of it.
exactly. Well, on a higher time frame, like Nasdaq looking bearish, but I think on session we can take out the high and deliver late, like yeah, PM session. That could be possible. Okay, let me see my setup as well. Okay, we actually expected the IFVG. Sorry, FVG.
Oh,
I have to check the DXY. Do you know me? Do I know you? Maybe, I don't know. Maybe you were in my WhatsApp contact.
I'm still sharing screen. I forgot.
Oh,
Was you watching? My bad. Do you want me to put it back on?
no, I wasn't. I was actually looking at price action.
It's cool then.
Yeah, yeah. Mhm. It's a retracement setup, so I'm not having that like confidence. If it were a direct run on liquidity, man, I wouldn't have taken that. It needs to close
Is this on live you're talking about? This is all live, right? Or are you talking just demo?
live. Really don't take those kind of trades. If I take it, I take it. If I don't, I don't. Sometimes I want to test if it goes in my direction or whatever. I'm building a narrative about the trade. Then I just put a simple PNL on it on TradingView. Right, I'm looking for to close the 15-minute candle below the bodies. Mhm. Actually closed above, but it can still run. Uh, let's see, 5 minutes. What do you think about the price action?
On what?
Does it going to do a retracement?
I have to say, I'm sort of just monitoring
Mm.
this last February. It's
I think it's about to continue the direction.
which direction?
Bullish on euro dollar. Because we're actually respecting the BC, which is I didn't want it. Will you take it if it turns into an IFBG?
I'm only looking at the IFVG on Dixie. Like if I'm expecting a continuation, I need it to close underneath it. Right now, it hasn't closed underneath it.
I think our dollaring is we do have that. Like this one, yeah. Dollar index is slow, man. How is that? I think dollar is more isn't strong enough to retrace like euro dollar. So I think it still can continue at that direction. Respecting the quadrant, bro. What? Uh,
You know what?
What?
Wow. I didn't even know this live trading chat has a chat window.
Yeah,
Do not have permission to send a message in this chat. Okay.
I know that, but I don't know how to access that. Okay, yeah, open chat. Yeah. Are you looking at pre? It's actually expecting the quadrant of that BC on euro dollar.
Yeah, I'm not looking at you. Oh, we still don't have permission, man.
Mm-hmm. I think it's continuing its direction.
Permission is not here. I'm just looking at the Dixie right now. Only interested in Dixie.
Mm.
Check it out on the chat. I'm looking at that IFVG specifically. 5 minutes.
You're looking at that. I'm looking at this one, but
Specifically looking at that picture as a close underneath it or a close above it.
I didn't hear you.
What I'm specifically looking for in that picture is a close, a body close above or below. That's gonna set my expectations.
Let me share my view so you would get to know. Like it's continuing. Look at chat. Do you see how it's
You
respected?
see
the quadrant of that BC after taking out,
See?
taking out the low.
Yeah, yeah, I do see that. I have to say, yeah, I'm interested in seeing how this 5 minute closes. I wonder if it's above the IFBG.
I really think we're gonna have a delivery on 10 a.m. New York time. Even in 1 minute, it's expecting perfectly.
Oh,
Okay,
speaking of perfection, the
let,
same going on here.
let me show you that setup you were saying that if it's in 5 minutes or not. The same setup. Sure, it has to be.
There's a respect on your array. There's a respect on my array. There's a whole lot of respect going on.
Yeah, we need to disrespect sometime. All right.
Well, I wonder what this is going to do.
Are you looking at PA? I'm about to show you something.
Go ahead. Yeah, I'm looking.
Okay, so this is 5 minute time frame. As you know, this is turtle body soup. I just told you this is a model 1 candle, right? You see that?
Yeah,
Yeah, so in that this candle it closed like it needs to in few seconds it will. So after the close, you can either enter right there and put the stop below the swing low, or maybe you draw a quadrant and put below the main threshold, below the 50%. Or it can retrace, you can still wait till it retraces to this high of this candle. And you enter there, and the target depends on the context. So for this, we don't have any target. That is crazy. So that is a model. It works in every time frame, like a 1 minute, 15 or 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, weekly, monthly. But you need to know the direction for that,
okay.
as I said.
I see.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, actually a good long right now on, EU.
Mm.
Prices.
Let's see. I think I should take a demo trade.
Doesn't really matter, really. Real, right?
Really, like I want to see it to perform. I, yeah, I would be entering there. Stop would be 10 pips. Target would be 1:2. Yeah, let's see how it performs. I'm still not entered though. Let it retrace. Mhm. Okay, just entered.
I'm gonna
Yeah,
try to do something using solid bias.
it's not biased, like it's just like the price action telling where it wants to go. 'Cause I'm bias less today, right?
Nah, you can't say that, Summit, man.
Why?
We trust your 5 minute FVG.
5 minute MBG, where is that? Oh yeah, that's CV.
Quadrants, man.
Yeah, yeah, that looks really appealing though. Let's see what happens. I don't know.
Oh God, we need a rejection. We're actually above the FVG right now. They don't want to see it close above it. If it closes above it,
If the 15-minute candle close
it's just like
below it, then it would be on CISD for the sell side. Then I can maybe look for a sell trade for real account. Uh, it closed at the right body. Equal body close, bro. What? No, I think
this
it's
is it. You can't go lower than this, really.
yeah. No, it's a little bit above. All right, it's still bullish. Let's see.
Ooh, look at that. Mm. Oh, sitting with the 1 minute it's a lot. Which is all spikes, I have to say.
Mm.
As of now, we're in the clear.
It's actually returning from LD.
CISD and 1 minute. Really,
Mhm.
really clear.
Okay, GBP looks weak now. This is crazy. I think it's gonna take out the Asian high on Euro British pound, then it would go down. It's kind of the same PA like yesterday. Alright, alright. Oh,
Again.
I'm just tired, man. I wanna just eat and sleep.
Ooh, I think this is pretty choppy.
Yeah, a little bit.
Trust in the summit bias.
There is no bias. That was I asked you in the DC that was the market condition.
Not serious bias, but
Yeah. I'm still more into the sell side. I really wanted to retrace. Like it's really a lot of imbalance left there. At least it touched the Asian high, but the way price is expecting, it can take out that high again. What do you guys say in the chat? What's price gonna do?
oh nah, this ain't looking good.
What was the poll? Hmm. I'm cooked.
Let's see. Yeah, summit. I'm gonna have to reverse, man.
Where? In the sell side?
Yeah, I had the demo open as well.
Yeah, I'm also watching that dip.
It's- That's so funny to do. It looks like it's going down now. Jeez.
Crazy how I want price to go lower and took the demo trade on longs. It's a biasless setup.
Yeah, I think you were right about 10 a.m. being the
Yeah, I
yeah.
You know, I knew it. I knew it because always when the news is at 10 a.m., it's gonna deliver on 10 a.m. I knew it, but I just could not prove it. I've back tested that many, many times. Mhm.
Yeah, I'm done with the Forex stuff. I have to say, this is boring. Time to look at what indices is doing.
Wait a moment. Sammy, I think I'm gonna bounce as well, man. You're gonna what?
I'm gonna bounce. Today's session's boring. I may as well get to doing something else.
Oh, was trading ever be fun?
Yeah, when you have entries, it's more fun than when you don't.
It's always fun when you gamble, you know, put crazy lot size, price goes up in your direction. That's when it's fun. Sitting for your setup, being, being patient, professional is usually boring.
But I have to say,
Say what?
everyone, I don't think there's gonna be a setup today. Not now, anyways. Maybe in an hour.
What? Sorry, I was reading in chat.
I mean, right now there's no way there's no setup. It has to go up, or as you said, retrace, and
Yeah,
it ain't even doing that. So
no.
that's pretty wild.
It can do three things. Either it would take out the high gain and continue the direction. Either it would wait till the news time and then go for retracement, or either it would do nothing, just range.
Both of those don't get me set up.
That's good, you know. I can have multiple setups for entries, but I don't. Okay, I was going through the month one and month two of ICT. Is there anything I should look for especially, or does he just give an idea about the ICT? Uh-huh.
Well, Summit, you have a good day, man. I'm out.
You out? It's actually running on the
You
direction though,
too.
on the demo trade.
Huh?
It's running on the direction though, in the demo trade.
Yeah, it is, but I reversed it. So
With what logic?
I got
What?
the logic was EXY closed one tick outside of my IFEG.
Okay, okay, makes sense.
So if you actually go look at the screenshot I showed you, you see yourself. One tick was one too much for me to have faith in your advice. I'm sorry.
All right, let's see you.
I didn't
I would update you with my result of the demo trade then.
abandon man. You take that.
All right, then see you tomorrow. All right, so I didn't actually get it what you're actually asking. I don't know if you are watching the stream or not, but it's not giving an idea about in the first 2 months. It's all structured in a good way that you need to know. And I think it's the first 2 months, it's more about the positional trading, yeah, more higher time frame tradings. You should do that, like that would give you a really good idea about the in the long term trends and the direction. If you get the direction, that's the 60% job is their end. So I think you should completely watch with focus and dedication. Do not rush it to complete the course. All right, all right, all right. Mm, I'm really having a headache looking at the charts. I gotta wait. I think, what's the time? For it is 9:30. There's still 30 minutes left for the news. Professional approach of trading is certainly headache if you look at the charts all the time. There was a setup though in a 15-minute time frame, but I barely took it. Like this literally a OT. So that was a buy setup. Okay, so I think we're about to hit the TP on the demo because there wasn't really a plus setup for me. It was actually a testing my setup that works on 5 minutes as well. It is going. I really wanted to close above the high or at least the bodies. All right. Mm-hmm. We're about to tap the high on euro dollar. Did on euro GBP, but the target is a little bit higher than the objective. Yeah, we are about to tap. So close. So freaking close. Mm. Okay, it did. I need to tag him now. I gotta tag him. Chats, yeah. Sure, I feel like I don't understand 60% of what um all right. I don't know, man, like if I have a setup, then my target would be this high of Asian range high and this liquidity. Right. All right. Um, and I'm really tired. I think I should close the stream. Like, I'm really, really tired. I was partying yesterday. I was awake till 3:30 a.m. and got cold and dehydrated as hell. That's why my voice is a little bit different than as usual. So I think I should close. And if I have a setup, maybe I would update that on Discord. So make sure to join the Discord. The link is in description, and that's all. Subscribe. Yeah. Good night till then. See you Wednesday. Yeah, tomorrow.